This is really a great session tonight. Getting some great questions. Jay, you're bringing in some great questions. Because of my experience driving with my dad who was handicapped, driving with students who had challenges, I'm better able to help you and serve you and get you to a better position in life. And that's what it's all about. Give me 1 second, please. Because we are here in this world to help serve people. And I truly believe that. Give me 1 second. Underscore with Miles. And I'm going to check as soon as I get off. And I better be able to call you, reach out to you on my phone or on my computer, and we're going to talk. Okay, I have had cerebral palsy, and I don't know if I can drive. Ask. Okay, so first, you said you had medical clearance. If you're cleared by a doctor to drive, that's good. If you actually driven before, around the corner, around the block, on the street, that's good. Okay? I'm going to send you to a specialist. The specialist is specially trained to examine people who have a physical handicap. And then they're going to put you through a series of tests, neuromuscular tests, you writing, drawing, writing your name. And if you're good with that, then they're going to set up some cones in the back, and you're going to have to drive around through cones. I actually drove from another company. I can't tell you the name of the company, but we drove experimental cars, manufactured cars that were 5 years out. And we had to do a special road test in order to, I'll put it to you like this. They were about 80 of us. We took a test, knowledge test. They were about 20 of us. We took another test. They were about 15 of us. We took another test with cones. There were 10 of us. I had to wait like 6 hours for a tow truck. So, you know, do you have that medical clearance? I'm going to finish going over these questions. Then I'm going to get on Instagram because that's a little bit more private. And I should see you have followed me. What is your Instagram name, Jay? Put that in so I know who to look for. I'm going to finish reading these questions off. Put that in. Okay, so next question. Okay, I got it. Jay, okay, I'll look for that. Did you follow me on Instagram? Yes or no? Because I'm going to look for that name.